What do you think? Can you get it? Show them, Benji. Can you get it? Is that maybe? Oh, good boy. Wait. Okay, Benji. Benji, you want to do some downward dog? Come on, Benji. Kisses, kisses. Benji, kisses. Benji, here. What about my kisses? No kisses? He's busy with the ball. Okay, down dog. Oh, look, Benji's doing down dog. And now Katrina's doing down dog. Benji, show them. Yes, yes, baby. Oops. And flow, Benji. Benji. Doggy and me yoga. Benji. Oh, look, he's doing down dog, you guys. And me. Oh, good spot for him to land. And down. Oh, good boy. And now cat cow, maybe? Are you still busy with the ball? Oh, we got a down dog. Ready? Oh, he wants to use me as a mark for cat cow. Benji, do you want me to throw the ball, or are you just using my leg as a landing spot? I think it's just using my leg as a landing spot. Here, look at it. Look at it, baby. And there we have a down dog, folks. Yes, baby, yes. And thread the needle. And a down dog. Baby, you want me to throw the ball? You can just give it to me. Here. Here. So a couple of quick, easy yoga poses you can do to alleviate neck, lower back pain, especially when traveling. Anytime, anywhere, like right now in my parents' living room with their adorable dog Benji crawling. So we had down dog with the dog. Oh, and there's Benji. Come on, Benji. Oh, Benji, watch out, baby. Then we have up flow with Benji going above the flow. Then we have back to child's pose. And then you'll probably crawl on my head. Come on, Benji. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Hello, baby. Hello. Hello. He's very affectionate, in case you can't tell. Then you have cat cow. Cat cow with a side of down dog. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, baby. Let's see. You want to show them how you throw it? See? Say, look, I threw it by myself. What's that, Benji? Cat cow. Then we have thread the needle. It helps with the neck and back. Stretching out your neck. And you guys, I do these poses even on the plane. So you can do this on the plane too. And the back is a great spot when you travel, especially on long flights. And I can say that for the first time in a long time, I did not have any neck or lower back pain after or during my flights as well. So hope that helps you guys, and chat soon. Benji, you want to go on my back? Go on my back. Come on, baby. Come on. No, come on. Here, come on. No, Benji, here. Here, come on. Here. Come on. Let's see. Let me see your legs. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Here, jump. Yes, I know you want to give me kisses, but jump. Here, come on. Jump. More jumps. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Good jump. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. And let's say bye, Benji and me yoga. Come on. Come on, baby. Yes, baby. Say bye. Bye, Benji. Best morning wake-up calls ever. I'm at the ball, Benji. Bye. Benji? Come on, Benji. Come get it. Come get it, Benji. Come on. Come on. Go. Benji. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Give me a ball. Ball. Benji, you're doing downward dog. Benji. Benji and the bone. You want this one, Benji? Come get it. Benji? Come on, Benji. Are you going to get it? Benji, the bone. No? What do you think? Can you get it? Show them, Benji. Can you get it? Is that maybe? Oh, good boy.